Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. I'm going to get to it. This is a beautiful ballerina that I found on the internet, and I wanted to draw her face because she had very distinct features. I utilised good speed, geometric and observational methods, as well as gestural for the hair and the crown or the tiara. I am improving each sketch that I do. There are some days or minutes where it just doesn't work out, but instead of being deflated and unmotivated, thinking that it's terrible, and coming away with it without any actual critique, then I'm using it as a learning experience and going from there. So, geometric and observational methods, gestural for the hair. Number 1, number 2 are actually the closest to the original reference photo. I'm improving each time that I sketch. My proportions and layer are getting far better, far quicker. The quicker I draw, I feel that they're getting actually better with the layouts, I should say, sorry, and the ratios. So let me know what you think, and also if you're a new subscriber, awesome. If you're a returning subscriber, that's awesome too. I appreciate all you guys. Thanks guys, bye!